Pre-storm, going hooping tonight. Thought y'all may want to check this out. New flip camcorder. Dig it. $100. It's going on the water with me tonight. This is what it looks like in the driveway. Pliers, maybe a paddle, lobster gauge. I bring my VHF, some gloves, a dry box with the necessities. This is this cool thing. That's the Lobster hotel made for the Prowler. That's where the lobsters go. Makes it nice to wash everything down too. 5 conicals, ready to go. That one's Greg Olson style right there. We got a little variety going on tonight. Gonna be a good time. We'll check you on the water. This thing's going with me. Out. Out the ramp. Loaded up. Ready to head out. $12 a.m. Nobody in sight. Well, we'll give it a shot. About 12:30 for sets in the water. That's the city of Ventura lights in the background. I'm on the water. That's the edge of the breakwater right there. Ventura hillside. And if you can see it, that's my first buoy right there. My first float. And we'll go up and check that one out in a few minutes here. Not sure you can see it or not, but this is the rig. Sitting in the kayak. Hopefully you can see it. Got my headlamp on. Not sure what you'll be able to see and what you won't, but sitting in the kayak, ready for the first run. Not sure you can see it, but I know you can hear it. That's the Ventura break wall, 10 feet off my bow. See if we can shed some light on this subject here. There's a hoop about to go in. Can you hear that? That's the mad wall right there. I need to back up a bit, and time to get this hoop in the water. So here it goes. See what happens. All right, here we go. This is how you use a lobster gauge. First of all, first victim of the night. Let's see you. Let's grab you. And although we don't need to gauge this bad boy, this is how you gauge lobster. See if we can make this happen or not. Right behind the carapace to the back. And this lobster is definitely legal by over a half an inch. Like that. We're all good. Everybody happy? DFG. Ventura lobster. Well, I thought tonight was going to be awesome. Started off good. But, you know, it's 4:15. I got to get out of here, get home. Maybe catch another hour of sleep before work. But, thought I'd show you what it looks like stacked up. Paddle, 5 traps. All the good stuff. Well, the reward for tonight. 1 bug. Let's check it out. This is it. Little bastard. Dangerous. After those things. But that's how big it is. Let's see how big you are. You're probably maybe 2 pounds. But a good sized bug. And I'm sure you're going to make a good dinner. But anyways, catch you on the next one.